Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i. So, you need to press and hold at the both of touch areas on your earbuds. Touch areas located at the back side, right here at the top. We have it, and remove your earbuds from the case, press and hold it for at least 15 seconds. So, press and hold. Here we go, now you can really see your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and now if I tap at my earbuds, I cannot, as you can see, there is a problem. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget and forget device. Now click pair new device button on your Android. Not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth after you remove them. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap at your earbuds here and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!